YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gap. And today we have a massive unboxing. And I got some good news for y'all fellas, ladies and gentlemen. This week, with all this stuff, you guys will be getting a video every day this week. Monday through Friday, baby. You'll be getting a video every day this week. We're gonna take some of this stuff out of the boxes. We're gonna start building stuff. So like I said, all this week, be expecting a video. The Gapster is back, baby. The Gapster is back, man. And we're gonna start off unboxing all this stuff. This is the start to a fresh, new, awesome week of RCs, baby. So we're gonna start from smallest to largest. So we're gonna start out with the bags first. Let me get everything down off the table, get everything set up, and we gonna rock out. So y'all hold tight, I'll be back with you in 1 second. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys and girls, let's get it. Let's get it. What we got in the first one? We have a Fly Sky receiver, baby. Fly Sky, another G11P gyro receiver. They only 23 bucks, 23, they range from 23 to 27 bucks. Can't beat that, so I'm racking up on these. Soon my Fly Sky remote will be full. It'll be, I think it only holds 40, so soon it will be full, but there you go. Got another Fly Sky receiver. Get that off to the side. Next box, next bag. Got my trusty unboxing knife for my brother, Sir Thizzle. Let's get it. We have a servo, another one of the Power Hobby servos. I've used these in my last couple of builds, and I'm starting to really like them, and they're great for the price. They got the 25s and the 35 kgs. Be careful when you buy these though, because sometimes the 35 kg is cheaper than the 25 kg, but they're always decently priced. They go anywhere from like 28 to like maybe right at $45, but they are great. They have been treating me well. This is like my 5th one. I've had no issues out of none of them. So it is the Power, the Hobby Power. Hobby Park, I'm sorry. Hobby Park. It has a lot of Chinese writing on it, so I don't know what that says. But yeah, it's from Hobby Park. 35 kg servo. Next small bag. See what we got here. It's gonna be a great week, y'all. I'm telling you. Bam, another Hobby Park servo for another build that I got coming up. And this is the 25 kg one. Yep, there it is. That's the 25 kg one. And we have one 25 kg, one 35 kg. Y'all will see what they're gonna be going in this video. All right, next up, we have another XC ESC combo, y'all. Y'all see me getting a lot of these things, man, so y'all should already know that these things are really good, and they're really especially good for the price. The price is ridiculous. This is a 5400 kV motor. We'll be going in a new build that you will see in this video. I think it has 120 amp ESC. Yeah, the ESC is capable of up to 4S. The motor is not, it's only rated up to 3S, but here it is, another XC ESC combo, baby. Sensor, let's get it. All right. This video is gonna be pretty fast, pretty short, y'all, because I'm almost halfway done already. But been very excited about doing this video. What's in here, what's in here, what's in here? All right, y'all. Got a good old surprise for y'all. They are the J Concept Magmas, and they are made. These are made to fit. I'm gonna do a video on these as well, but these are made to fit the Traxxas Minimax and the Traxxas XRT Mini. The ones I had on mine, they perform really good. They were the Magmas, but they are for a Rustler. These came from my brother. Y'all go holler at my brother. My brother at PNW RC Madness, baby. He got these on deck, the J Concept Magmas. And you will see these on the new Creighton Mini as well. But so the Magma's there, and I also from PNW Madness, this came a couple of days ago from PNW RC Madness. I also have the choppers, baby. So I got both sets. I'm thinking for sure on my Mini XRT, I'm gonna go with the choppers. Whenever I get my Mini Creighton, I'm gonna try it with the stocks. If I don't like it, I'm going Magmas. When I do the video on these wheels, I will show you the Rlarlo ones that I put on my my XRT. So they're a little bit bigger. These are the perfect. They are the same size as the stock tires, and they have foam, unlike the stock tires. So yes, sir. These are the J Concept Magmas and the J Concept choppers, and they come from PNW RC Madness. Go holler at my boy Chris, my brother Chris at PNW RC Madness. Let's get it. Moving on, baby, moving on. We're moving on, now we're finna get into the boxes. Oh, fix the camera. All right, now we're gonna get into the boxes, baby. Get into the boxes. Come on, man. Come on, man. I think I know what this is, and I'm very, very excited about this. I think this is, we'll see, but I think I know what this is. All right, box inside of another box. There it goes. Let's adjust the camera slightly. There we go. Let's get this cut open. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger than this though. The first box was more like the size that I thought this actual item was gonna be, or items was going to be. But let's see what we got. See how big they are. These are ramps for the mini cars. Hold on, let me get them out the box. It's two, you can put them side by side. In the box, you have a few things in the box. Let's get those out. Stickers. All right, these are ramps for the mini cars, baby. So when I'm driving the mini cars and I don't want to carry that big, humongous ramp, I can put these side by side like this right here. I think they're made for 16th scale, 14th and 16th scales. But if you put them side by side, you can probably jump easily a 10th scale off of these. And you know, you can send it a little bit. You know, they're not really aggressive where you send it too high. But I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna do a separate video on them, and I'm also gonna be using them when I get my Mini Creighton, so I can do a comparison between the Mini Creighton and the XRT. So y'all, and the XRT Mini. So y'all stay tuned for that video. But there are the ramps. Pretty cool. Comes with some liners, so you can like some markers, so you can see where the edges of the ramp are. They're like the reflector material. You got white and you have red. So I will be putting this stuff on so people can see the ramp from further distance away. And they give you stickers with it. They give you some double-sided tape too. I don't know what that's for, but they give you some stickers. So I will put the stickers on the ramps. So these came off of Amazon. They were two for $69. So I just grabbed them. I'm looking at the angle of them right now. The angle seems pretty good, y'all. The angle seems pretty good, but we're not gonna go into full details. We will do an unboxing on these as well. So we're gonna get them back in the box, and then we're gonna continue this video. So y'all hold tight. I'll be back with you in 1 second. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now we get into the big boxes, baby. Now we're getting into the big boxes. The big boys, man. The big boys. Now we get into the meat and potatoes. Y'all gonna be able to see why y'all gonna be getting videos every day this week. Every day this week. All right, popping the box open. we have the Rlarlo Omni Terminator, y'all. Yes, sir. And I'm missing something, y'all. What am I missing? I'm missing something. I think I'm missing the ESC. I need to check Amazon. I'm missing the ESC. I have the motor. I'm gonna use the motor out of the the SBK. I'm gonna put a 4S ESC on it, and we're gonna run this thing on 3 and 4S. This is the roller. This is the carbon fiber version roller. I have my right there, my servo right there. Like I said, I'm gonna use the Rlarlo motor, and then some in one of these boxes. If not, I may have didn't order it, but I'm gonna get the ESC in really soon, and we're gonna get this car out of here and done. I know the receiver for it comes tomorrow. So yes, sir. So moving on to the next. Y'all hold tight. All right, we got another box. Another big box, baby. See what we got cracking in here. They might tell you what it is on the box if you can see it. This is another one that I had to pack my patience for, but it finally came. This is the Rlarlo XTS S10 rally car roller. I wanted the one with the clear body, but they didn't have it in stock. But I did go ahead and order the clear body. So we are waiting on that clear body to come. This blue body, I probably will run it, you know, maybe the first time with the blue body. Because when the clear body comes, with this weather being the way that it is, I'm not gonna be able to paint it immediately. But we are gonna do an unboxing. And this combo right here, and this receiver, the 35 kg, the servo, and this receiver right here, yes sir, it's ready to go. And I have the 10th scale size servo mount. I ordered that too. I'm waiting on that. That should be here on the 7th, which is either tomorrow or the next day. But yes, got everything for this one. It's gonna be ready to go, y'all. So we're gonna get into it. We got 2 more boxes, and then we're gonna get out of here. So y'all hold tight. All right, y'all. Next up, this was not in the box. This came from my local hobby shop, the hobby shop, Stockbridge, Georgia. Y'all go holler at Glenn. This is the Rally, but I haven't seen one of this kind on YouTube yet. This is the Traxxas SR200 Rally, and it is in the gray. Yes, sir. I am very excited about the video on this. Y'all probably get the video since this is an RTR. This probably will be the first unboxing that y'all get this week. Probably Tuesday. You're gonna get this first, so y'all will be able to see this gray one. Because I really want y'all, the people who haven't seen it, being able to see it. But Glenn, he has all colors. He has the red, the blue, and the gray. So, and I also have a body, because I was gonna get this when it first came out, and now that they changed the body colors, I'm glad I waited. But I had a body already done for it. It didn't come out the way that I wanted it to, but I do have another body for it as well. But yes, sir, Traxxas Rally RS200, baby. Let's get it. On to the last box, fellas. Hold tight. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the last box. This is a car, and it's something that I always wanted. I've had his brother, but I always wanted this one. I always liked the way it looked, and I wanted it, but I just never got it. So I finally grew me a pair and pulled the trigger on it. And this is, let's get it out. this is something stuck in the box that don't want to come out. Okay, let's see. There we go. This is the Havio. What is this card? Nitro Hobbies. That's where it came from. Nitro Hobbies. This is the Havio GT. The Hyper GT electric 80% roller. It's this one, the blue hatchback looking one. So this is a roller. I do have to paint the body. I'm gonna do the video on this. I'm gonna put all my electronics in it and everything. But I do not, the weather would not let me paint, and I don't want to miss this. I don't want to just do a beater body for this car, even though I'm gonna course race it in the street. But I don't want to just do any old just beater looking body on it. I want to do something nice, even though I'm gonna beat it up. I want to get this over to Rlarlo on Lexan and let him do me a wonderful paint job on it. Right now it's just too cold. We're not gonna be able to paint it, but I am gonna get it built and it'll just have a clear body on it. But for right now, because I'm not gonna run this car until the summertime anyway. I won't break this one out until the cold weather is all the way gone. So it's probably gonna be in the 75, 80 degree weather before I even run this car anyway. But we are gonna put an ADAS system in here. We're not gonna run it on ADAS, but we definitely gonna put an ADAS system in here. This is the Havio Hyper GT 1/8 scale. It's the short wheelbase, the short chassis. It's this one right here. Like I said, yep. That's it. That is it. It's an 80% roller. All you gotta do is put your electronics in, glue your wheels, which I'm not gonna use these wheels anyway, these stock wheels anyway. I'm gonna go GRP Ultra Soft. And we're gonna get this thing into the races. So y'all gonna see like I said, y'all see the unboxing and you know, the install of the electronics, but you won't see this run until we do the races in the summertime, the course racing in the summertime. But yeah, y'all, that's what this goodies video brought to y'all this week. But like I said, y'all stay tuned. I will be dropping a video every day this week, I promise you. So all right, here's the ESC. I knew I had bought it. It was in the box. It was in one of the bigger boxes with the cars, with one of the cars, but I knew I had bought it. This is the ESC for the Omni Terminator. It's 120 amp, 10 BL 120. So I can run 4S on that 2650 motor out of the Stormbreaker, the XBK. That's what's gonna be going into my Omni Terminator, baby. I knew I had bought it. And I think I bought the one that already comes with the connector. I hope this is the one that already comes with the connector. But there it is. The BL Hobby Wing 10 BL 120. So there it is, y'all. I appreciate y'all sticking around watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube. And I'm in it.